Okay, today we're going to take a quick look at one of my display cases. This is a wall-mounted display case, and it's got a wooden frame and a glass front. It also comes with two little keys. Now they have a brass finish on them, but they are actually steel. Here's a magnet. They're not brass keys, they're steel keys, and they're brass colored. And it is lockable with those keys. But this is a nice little case, and it holds 20 Zippos, and each Zippo is held in place by one little magnet. It attaches itself to the steel backboard. These things come off and you can move them around anywhere, and each case comes with 20 magnets like that, and they will hold any Zippo that's got a steel insert. They will even hold this brass Zippo with the brass colored. It's a brass colored insert. You can see it sticks right to there. Even though it looks like it's brass, it's a steel colored insert, and there's the magnet holding on to it. So that's what holds each little Zippo onto that steel backboard. Here's the brass Zippo with the steel case, and that will hold nicely. You can see I'm shaking it. None of those things are falling off. Like I said, it does have a key lock. And the measurements of this thing are, let's see, it is approximately 8.5 inches wide and 11 inches tall. And like I said, it'll hold 20 Zippos, as long as it's got a steel insert. So yeah, that's one of my cases. I'll probably be getting one or two more of these, but I don't want to display too many of my Zippos. Ha! Knuckle bump!